This video's gonna be awesome, so stay tuned. If you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and crush that notification bell. What is going on, guys? Today we're at the Monster Jam Gumball machine, and we've got 10 Monster Jam tokens. Check it out. This thing is loaded down with Hot Wheels monster trucks and Spin Master Monster Jam monster trucks. Here's our first token. Let's get this monster truck party started. Let's see who we got. Yes, we got the new Spin Master Monster Jam Overcast Edition Gravedigger. Here we go again. Token number 2. Let's see who we get. Wow, we got a Spin Master Rev and Roar Megalodon. Check this thing out. It's time for token number 3. Here we go. Awesome! We got Yeti from the Spin Master Fire and Ice Edition. Check him out. He's looking really mean. Roar! Now we're gonna drop in token number 4 and see who we get. Yes, check it out. Don't get burned because this Max D is on fire. We're on token number 5. I wonder who we're gonna get this time. Whoa! It's one of my all-time favorites. It's Bigfoot from the Hot Wheels monster trucks. Check him out. Here comes token number 6. I can't wait to see who we get. Yes, we got Avenger. The Spin Master Monster Jam Avenger. Check this bad boy out. Wow. Token number 7 coming up. Here we go. We got Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Totally awesome. Time for token number 8. Yes, we got the Spin Master Monster Jam Higher Education. Check it out. It says cool bus, and it sure is. We're on token number 9. Let's see who we get. Whoa! We got the Team Hot Wheels Demolition Derby Edition monster truck. Check it out. Here's our last token. Token number 10. Yes, we got the Hot Wheels fire truck! Wow! What a cool monster truck! The ladder even works on it. That's all for today, guys. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button.